it has 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 holes, right? But the water is not flowing out. Why is that? It's because air is not coming inside. Therefore, we create low air pressure inside this bottle.
To came out. Yeah.
Exactly. And if you open the lid, what's going to happen? The water will start flowing. And as soon as you close it, the water is going to stop.
Before you're not hold, right?
No. And here we have also another experiment. See this water cup? And this water cup. If you pour it down like this, the water is going to fall, right? And if I put this lid on, flip it like this, I remove my hands, the water is still gonna fall, right? Okay, see? 1, 2, 3.
How possible? It's air pressure, right?
Exactly, because air pressure. Because the water is blocking the air from coming inside, and that creates low air pressure here and a higher air pressure outside. So the air starts pushing the lid upwards. That's why the air does not come down. And we have here the last experiment. You see here, if you want to blow this balloon, want to inflate it, make it bigger. Should I use the pink straw or the green straw? Pink, right?
Green.
Pink or green?
Pink, okay.
Okay, let's stay with the pink. See, it's attached to the pink, so obviously it's gonna work with the pink, right? But now with the green, it's not supposed to work, right? Okay, let's see. It's also working with the green. And how is that possible? It's because, see, if I take out the air, if I inhale the air, that creates vacuum here and low pressure, and the balloon here starts sucking up the higher pressure from outside.
Because of pressure, right?
Exactly,
Air
because of
pressure.
pressure.
You have water?
No, we do experiments here. Water cup, down like this.
It was water and experiment.
Like this.